Alright, there we go. So, got the bike nice and clean. You got your tools. And, okay, it's ready to roll. So, the very first thing I like to do is you get a washcloth like this. Make sure your gas is shut off. Right here. Take off the gas. Okay, it's harder to letting all the gas drain out in my rag. Okay, I'll leave it there for a second. Ugh. This should all just come sliding out. Okay, here's my whole ass end. I'm going to put it somewhere where it's going to be clean. I'm going to put it over here. You don't want dirt to get in there, because mine is already nice and clean. So, here's the bike. Now you got the carb. Here comes the tricky parts. Okay, so I usually take the gas, I bend it around, and just stick it there for now. Now we need to get the carb out. How are we going to do that? It looks pretty in there, don't it? Well, here is also where you put on your gloves. Okay. Got one glove on. Grab the other glove. Okay. Got my other glove on. Okay, what we're going to do, you're going to grab her, pull her out, and it should come out from here. It should come out, I believe, like this. This end first. There we go. Now it comes all of the hoses with it. Now it's going to leak a lot, because you got to remember, this thing is still full of gas. So now there's a trick here, and I'll show you it, how to get that off. Okay, okay, I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to restart it after I take these two screws off. Look for the next part. Thank you.